Hello everyone, welcome back to the maths class. I hope you all are fine. Student, till question number 6 of exercise 3F we have done. Today we are going to start with question number 7. Now listen to question number 7. There were 5,427 bags of wheat in a warehouse. If 4,299 bags were shifted to another warehouse, how many bags were left? So what is given here? Total number of wheat bags are given, that is 5,427. Okay, and number of bags shifted, that is 4,299. Here we have to find how many bags were left. So left, the keyword left means here we will do subtraction. Okay student, what do you mean by warehouse? Warehouse is a storeroom where we keep rice, wheat, etc. Okay, so here we will start this statement. Okay, see, first statement will be total number of wheat bags, that is equal to 5,427. So write here total number of wheat bags equal to 5,427. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay student, next statement will be number of bags shifted equal to 4,299. Here we have to find how many bags were left. So next statement will be number of bags left. So here we will do subtraction. Write the sign of minus here. So 7 minus 9 not possible because 7 is less than 9. So here we will take one borrow from this 2. So this 7 becomes 17 and this 2 becomes 1. Okay students, 17 minus 9 equal to 8. 1 minus 9 not possible. So we will take one borrow from this 4. So this 1 becomes 11 and this 4 becomes 3. Student, 11 minus 9, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. So hence 1,128 bags were left. Write hence line also. Hence 1,128 bags were left. Understood? Now let's move on to question number 8. Listen to question number 8 very carefully. A petrol tanker contained 7,005 liters of petrol. Out of this, 3,994 liters were supplied to a petrol pump. How much petrol is left in the tanker? So student, in this question it is given that total quantity of petrol contained by the petrol tanker is given, out of which 3,994 liters of petrol was supplied to a petrol pump. Here we have to find how much petrol is left in the tanker. So left means here we will do subtraction. So student, here we will start the statement with quantity. We will not start with the number because petrol is liquid is uncountable. So we will start with quantity of petrol. Okay. So write here total quantity of petrol equal to 7,005 liters. Okay, next statement will be quantity of petrol supplied equal to 3994 liters. Now here we have to find how much petrol is left in the tanker. So next statement will be quantity of petrol left is equal to, write the sign of minus here. So 5 minus 4, 1. 0 minus 9, not possible. So we will take 1 borrow from this 0. But here is again 0. So this 0 will take 1 borrow from this 7. So this 0 becomes, yes, 10. And this 7 becomes 6. Now this 0 will take 1 borrow from this 10. So this 0 becomes 10. And this 10 becomes 9. Okay. Now 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. Write here liters also. Okay. Hence 3011 liters of petrol is left in the tanker. Hence 3011 liters of petrol is left in the tanker. Understood? I hope question number 7 and 8 are clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a great day.